Welcome to CloudSutra. Today, we're diving into some exciting job opportunities for freshers. If you're starting your career, Amar InfoTech has two fantastic roles for you. First up, Junior, DevOps Engineer in Ahmedabad. Here you'll work with cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or GCP, build CI/CD pipelines, and automate deployments using tools like Terraform. Got basic scripting skills in Python or Bash? Perfect. This role is a great way to sharpen your DevOps skills. Next, we have the Junior Linux System Administrator role, also in Ahmedabad. In this job, you'll manage Linux servers like Ubuntu and CentOS, monitor performance, apply security patches, and automate tasks with Bash or Python scripts. If you love troubleshooting in Linux, this one's for you. Both roles are open to freshers and professionals with up to 3 years of experience, with immediate joining preferred. Thanks for watching. For more such updates, don't forget to subscribe to CloudSutra